my god. Dude, I'm gonna show you something that's gonna change the trajectory of your life. It's just a short detour, okay? You're not gonna wanna miss this when I tell you that this is fucking insane. I mean that, like, whatever you're picturing, this is gonna be better than that. Here we go. Listen to this.
And then the instructor is like, you got it. And you're like, wow,
What? She just left. Oh my god. Okay, I'll be quiet so you guys can hear it because it's a slightly quiet clip.
And the instructor is like, you got it. And you're like, wow,
God, I love Vega. She's so funny, dude. The way she waddles up and you can hear her footsteps. Coco's is definitely worse. Okay, let's hear it. Let's hear it.
Really cute? Oh.
Why is it the same burp? Why is it the same?
God.
Why is it a two-parter? What do you mean it's not over?
Oh my god. What the fuck was that?
Dude!
Oh my god.
Okay, let's see.
Oh
One.
my god. Oh my god.
Ew! I thought she was puking, dude. Play both at the same time.
Oh.
and you're like,
Oh my
wow,
god. Oh my god.
They lied to- Dude, they're speaking the same language.
God.
oh,
I'm sorry, I still think Vegas is better. They're so good. They're both so good though, man. I don't know. I can't figure it out.
Oh, you know what'd be really cute? Oh. Oh my
like,
god.
wow,
Gross. I hate Koko. I hate this. I hate this meme. I hate Koko. I hate everything. This sucks. This sucks. This sucks. This sucks. Let me review mine. Friends with benefits. Hold on, I have to burp. No, that was clean. That was clean. that was fine. It was normal, nice, just the right amount of liquidity and the right amount of dryness. It was a nice in between. It was the vanilla of